Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna be talking about my personal favorite, the X series spotlights from Novsight. As you can see, I'm already running them installed on my Jeep. I installed these a while ago. They're amazing. I can't get enough of these lights. I'm thinking of getting a full set for the roof, so that's gonna be in another video. Hopefully we'll install them soon so I can show you the installation process. These were fairly easy to install. I'll go through that too. But for now, let me show you a little bit more. I'm gonna show you how it works. These are the 4-inch pod lights from Novsight. And I'm gonna show you how this lens works. You can take it off. You can take it off. Well, mine's a little dirty because I've been modding through this trail. But I'm gonna show you how it works. You can see that the X is cut through the lens itself. You know, that's because of the light. When you shine it through, it's gonna shine through the lens and it's gonna show you that beautiful color. But anyways, if you take it off and you have it on amber mode, you can still see the X shining through. Now I'm gonna change the colors on it. I change it to white. Now you can see that it's a white color still shining through the lens. And you got the beautiful white X showing. Now if you go full mode on it, you turn on the power to the beam. And now with the full light on, now you have a light that's gonna give you a shine through any trail at night. But yeah, I love Novsight. You know, we have this installed in my body's Jeep too, and definitely I'll be installing these in my project Dodge Ram too. And as you can see, that X still shines through the cover plate, even in this sunny day. But the X still shines through. You can still see that X a mile away. And of course, you got the cover plate that will protect it from any rocks. I mounted them in a dual dish light mounts. They look great here, and the functionalities are still there. If I wanna turn these around, I can still do so to give me a better peripheral view at night. You know, when I'm trying to get out of these trails, because you know this at night it's very dark. But with these I'll be okay. For now, we're gonna be showing you the different functionalities of these lights. I'm gonna show you the amber X, the white X, and I'm gonna show you the full beam, and then we'll move on to uncover the plates and show you the white beams. And we're gonna start first with the amber X. We're gonna go now to the white X. And last, we're gonna turn on those high intensity beams at 6,000 lumens. Yep, that will light up any trail. Taking off the covers is easy. Just gotta pull on them, and there you have them. You got that beautiful X shining through. And the high beam. And there you have the high beam without the cover. And guys, if you're wondering if the installation is easy, it is. You know, Novsight really has everything set up for you. I had to use these mounts, these dual pod light mounts, because I wanted the dual look on each side. I had a Novsight sticker put on. It makes it look great, and it gives you the functionalities that I want on the Jeep and the looks. And if you're wondering if it's hard, it's not. Novsight already has everything cooked for you. They got the cables already spliced, so you can mount them to the main lines that go to the battery. and connect to the other lights on the other side. I ran the cable for the switches in there through that grommet, the firewall, and I ran it inside of the car behind the A-pillar right here, and I got them here right in front of the dashboard, and they work great. And if you have trouble installing them, you can also go to the main web page. They'll show you how to do it there through videos, and it's really easy, guys. You can't go wrong with Novsight. Novsight has been very supportive of this build, and I can't stress it enough how happy I am with these products, how I'm willing to continue to work with them in the future and continue to buy their products because they are amazing. This is just the beginning. Like I said, I also have a work truck that I'm turning it into a project that's hopefully coming soon. But yeah, I wouldn't change those lights for anything in the market right now, just because of the looks, the design, the functionalities. Well, guys, overall, I'm very happy with this X-Series spotlights. Please let me know if you want me to review other products, and if you like what you're seeing here, you can go to their website on novsight.com. And pretty much I'm very happy with this build. I'm very happy with how supportive Novsight's been, and I'm glad I found them, and I will continue to work with them for as long as I can. Thank you, Novsight. Thank you, guys. Please let me know in the comments below if I'm missing anything that you might want to know about. Thank you, guys.